Hey everyone, Edward here at the Mac Observer, and in this video I'll show you how to download and install the iOS 18 public beta on your iPhone. Not sure if you heard the news, but the public beta for iOS 18 is now released and available to try it out. So here's what you do to install it. Go to Settings, afterwards tap on the General category, and then select Software Update. Now just wait until your iOS checks for the latest updates. But what you have to do first of all is go to the beta updates category and make sure that it's either turned from off to iOS 18 public beta or from iOS 18 developer beta to iOS 18 public beta. So tap on it, then your iPhone will check for the latest update, and soon you will see that the iOS 18 public beta version will show up as an update to download and install on your phone. So as you can see, iOS public beta is available. It rounds up to around 7 GB. You can update it in the night or now. It doesn't matter. If you want it now, you can update now, and that's pretty much it. This is a more stable release than the developer mode betas, and you get an early preview of the upcoming apps, features and technologies. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.